So this is my first time trying the cake batter blizzard, and I have it in front of me. So let me give it a go. It's actually really good. If I were to get this again, I would. This is probably one of the best blizzards ever because it tastes like a frozen birthday cake. So if you like my video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos in the upcoming future. So take care, everyone.